How to log into Cathay Pacific Airlines account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in Cathay Pacific Airways and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Just go ahead and click on it, cathaypacific.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right, you're going to see the option of sign in or sign up. Go ahead and click on that option. With that, you'll be directed to the sign in page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. First up, go ahead and select your country code. Then type in your phone number. Likewise, type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of forgot or retype password and go through the process and recover it. After you fill this, click on sign in, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Or else you can also use your email or membership number to log in. You just have to click on this option and go through the process. So, these are the ways to easily log into your Cathay Pacific Airlines account. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.